Here we are about to board our first ever river cruise with Viking. Phew, ignore my finger there. Apparently I can't video and walk at the same time. What you're looking at now are the balcony cabins. Here is the dining room area, which is community seating. That's where you'll find the important stuff, which is your coffee and a few light snacks during the day. Here is the lounge area with the bar and seating. This is where your evening entertainment is going to happen, your port talks with the program director, which we found very useful for our ports on the next day. At the front of the ship is where you're going to find the aquavit. This is where your outdoor dining is. It's also a really great spot to get to watch the ship go through the locks. Up on the top deck is going to be extra seating. There's plenty of shade around. Also, you will find towels up there and blankets to kind of cover up with if it happens to get cold. You've got the walking track, which we didn't really see anyone use, a small game of putt-putt, an herb garden, and also shuffleboard. We did see people playing this quite often. So the bathroom is pretty standard. The shower here, you actually have a double shower door, which is kind of unusual. It's pretty good size. So, you know, a lot of room here. You've got the handle that comes down. Also, something that took us a little bit of time to learn is there is a knob here that has heated floors, so you can adjust the temperature and it will warm your floor up very nicely. You get lots of body wash, shampoo. This is refreshed every day. Then coming into the room, something we wasn't sure about is what types of plug-ins that they would have. So beside the bed on each side, you've got two USBs, you've got a regular 110 volt, and then you have a European plug-in. You also have the light switch that will turn the lights off beside the bed, and you've also got the light switches for these little lights. We are in a river view room, which is around 150 square foot, and as you can see, it does let a little natural light in. Viking does not have any true interior room, so this is, I guess, the lowest category that you can get. So over here you've got your regular area, I guess. You've got 110 volt here. They do include a hair dryer, European plug-in. You've got storage drawers here. You've got your refrigerator. You've got a couple of USB plugs here, another 110 volts, so lots and lots of plug-ins, which we really appreciated. And then you've pretty much got the standard closet as far as like your safe, a couple of areas to put things here, and then on this side you've got your clothes hangers to hang your clothes up. So we were very impressed with the room. You can also request to have a bathrobe and slippers delivered to your room. Also, finally, they will deliver water to your room every night, so you get one of these every night. We've been putting it in the refrigerator. This tastes really good. They gave us some mineral water. It wasn't the best, but this is fine. So going through the ship locks was honestly one of the coolest things ever. The best way that I can describe this would be like a water elevator that raises or lowers the ship to the next level, and then you go through and carry on with your journey.
With all of the tours, you will need to wear this headset with the provided earbuds. We found these to be pretty comfortable, so we didn't bring our own. Included with your cruise fare are excursions at every port stop, which we found to be a huge money saver. So here are just a few pictures and videos of what is included in the Basel to Amsterdam Viking tours.